Hello everyone, this is RNG. Quickly I want to show you how you can attend to your query in registering your business or your business name in Nigeria online portal. The corporate affair has made it easier and very simple for people to register their business. You can be in Nigeria, you can be outside Nigeria. You don't need the help of a lawyer or the help of um, an agent. Of course, you can use them if you don't want to go through the stress or you have no idea. But if you have a little knowledge about the computer and you feel you can do it yourself, there are process, and some of the process require that sometimes when you fill up the form and upload the necessary things, sometimes they reply you back with a query. I myself have been trying to register a group business. We just a group of friends, and we came together. We decided that okay, we want to start a business. We don't want to go straight into registering a company. So we decided that we are going to register the company's name. So I'm actually the person doing the registration because I called an agent, so they bid me 150,000 naira to do it. And I look at it, if I do it myself, I'm just going to pay up to 11,000 naira. So I started the process. I've uploaded a lot of things. One of the trick is that when you are filling the form, when it is time to upload a document, you will find out that there's a place where you are to put when you are filling in your data. There's a place where they ask you the document you want to use to write the ID, the number, the document number out down there. And when you check the documents that are required to register a business, you find out that declaration of age is there, the birth certificate is there, Nigerian Nigerian international passport is there, Nigerian driver's license there, Nigerian permanent voters card is there. But in all of these, the first two, which is a declaration of age and birth certificate, are not accepted. But I don't know why they included them. But if you use it, you upload one of those two documents, they will refuse it. They will send you a query. So I called them as well. If you guys are not accepting these two documents, then why did you write it out there? So you're giving people false information. So just for you to be aware, you can't use Nigerian birth certificate or declaration of age to register your business or your company. So when you are done reserving your name, you start the process of registering. Let me show you mine. I've gone far. So one of us, the issue was that one of us was not having his passport at hand, so we decided to uploaded his birth certificate, which they refused. So we waited for some time. Now that the passport is ready, so we want to go ahead and register and upload the passport. Now here is the names are submitted. The name they are submitted. This one I've not submitted the form. I just fill it. I didn't submit it. That is why you see not submitted here, pending 0. Here there is a name I requested for. They denied it because the name was already taken, so they denied the name. When I went for check of a name reservation, the name wasn't there, so I thought since the name isn't there, then nobody has used the name. But when I apply for the name, they denied it. Then I made other two applications, which are these two reservations here. So Here is what I have submitted, the application registration which I've already submitted, and this is the query. So they query me and they want me to attend to it. So when you click on that query, you get it. What I'm teaching you is how to attend to your query so you don't make a mistake. So when you have a query, when you have a query, it's out here. So once you click on the query, it brings you to this page. So you'll find your business name, which they are querying you about. And here they tell you query history. You click on the query history. Now these are the queries which I have received so far. They are huge. They are much. Okay, 10 query. I've attended to them all. The last one that came in now is this one, which I've not resolved it. That's why it's showing unresolved. And the reason is that they said delete and re-upload. Yeah, one of the proprietors passport or ID. So that was the reason for the query. And now here is where you have to be very careful. If you come here, if you click mark as resolved, then you once you mark it, the query will be gone, and it shows that you've resolved it, and you didn't resolve it. Maybe you didn't know what the right place to click, so you just click anything. So if you click here, the query will be gone, and they will definitely send query you again because you didn't resolve it. So what you do is you come here, mark this unresolved query. You claim here, click on unresolved query. It will bring you here. So from here, you have to choose what they ask you to do. If they ask you to do something about the business details, then you click on the business detail. If they ask you to click to do something about um, particulars of proprietors, you click here. So if they ask you to do something about the nature of the business, or ask you to, like myself, they ask me to upload a document. And meanwhile, another thing is this. These are the list of the documents. Normally, they ask for when you are registering a business name. They ask you for the once you select the you create the column for the each member each proprietors, then they will ask you to submit several documents of each proprietor. At first, when I came here, there is a place for signature. There is one place for means of identification. There is a place for signature for everyone. There is a place for, so the only thing that every column here, every person didn't have was means of identification. So but the rest, everybody was having his own column, four column. So at the end of the day, I was kind of confused. Where do I upload the means of identification, since they only created means of identification for one person? They didn't create like signature. They created signature for the amount of people. So each person have a signature where each he or she should upload his signature, your and the photo photo passport. So each person was having his own. We are four in number, so each of us we're having our own column where we should upload our uh, document. But the means of identification was only one. So you can see, if you check it here, it is only one. So it's not like signature of Mr. this, signature of Mr. that. No. So I was thinking, where do I upload? If I upload one means of identification for one person, then the remaining three persons, because we are four in number, the remaining three persons, where should I upload them to? Then it was after some times I came to realize that you have to combine all the means of identification of every proprietors, everybody involved in the business. You combine, you go on Google and you search for. First, you have to convert them to PDF. Convert them to PDF file. Then you combine them into one file. You go on Google, just click on combine PDF. Combine PDF. Once you open them, you click any of them. They are all free online, so you select each of the file one after the other. Select them one after the other. Then once you are done selecting them, it will tell you to combine, which is down here. Once you combine, all the file will be combined into one single file. Then you come down here, go to where the file is, you download it, you go to where it's saved and upload it. So you will have the file of every single person in here. So that is how you can download the means of identification. Like myself, now I want to upload the means of identification for myself and the rest of us, because that is what they ask of me. So I've uploaded it now. As you can see, it's uploading. It's 34%, and like here at your left hand, they say it shouldn't be more than 5 MB. It shouldn't be more than 5 MB. Okay, so it's still uploading. Now once it's done uploading, then I will show you what next to do. It has been uploaded. So if you after it has show uploaded, if you want to check what you uploaded, if you want to preview it, you come here. Once you click on this preview, it will show you what you just uploaded. So once you're done uploading it, what you do is, once you're done attending to whatever they ask you to do, then you continue. When you continue, it will ask you to return to query. So here we are again. Now you've attended to the query. So what the next thing you have to do now is mark as resolved. You mark it and everything is gone. So to show you there's no record found. So no, you don't have query anymore. If you have other queries, it will still show here. But the one you've resolved is gone. So that is how you attend to query on registering name and your business in Nigeria with the Corporate Affairs Commission. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.